Hello everyone, welcome back again with me, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your photos looks like more cooler, like anime fan art artworks. The point is making your photos looks more like 2D art, just like what you saw on my thumbnails. So let's just begin. The first what you have to do is download Prequel Aesthetic Editor at Play Store. It's free, you can download it. And now installing. Alright, we're done, and just agree with all the agreements, and this application will be offering you 3 days trial, so you can try it for free, and if you are really like it you can buy it, but this is free for now. Just agree for it, and let's just test. Let's do some editing. What you have to do next is you should choose the cartoon. There is 3 of it. You choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Right, I'm gonna use this preset, and then allow the camera, and then choose the photo that you want to edit. So I'm gonna choose this photo, and we have to wait it. Right, some of you guys maybe know her, right, if you know what I mean. Alright, so this is the result. Oh, alright, this is the original, and this is the result, and it's pretty amazing and pretty accurate, pretty good. The result is pretty good, and you can just save it, or you can just add another adjustment like exposure, light, color, and make it better. Do whatever you can do to make this picture better. So I'm gonna adding some vibrance and temperature maybe, and make this picture more warm and thin. Alright, this is great. This is the original. This is the edited version from the Prequel app. Alright, this is good. And once you're done, you can just save it through the up button here, up right button here, and then you can save photo. Alright, already saved. And yeah, we'll gonna try another effect. You can still try another similar effect. We can just try to choose effect, and then choose cartoon, the another version, this one. Alright, just choose it. Alright, this effect will be more focused on the face, so if you need to get the HD quality for face edit anime, and the previous effect is more focused on if you are taking the full photo, including body, hand, clothes, and any other in frame. Alright, this one and this one. Alright, this is you can choose for the better version, and also you can try to add some adjustment like contrast and saturation and vibrance to make the photos more warm. Alright, once you're done, you can just save it like before, and save it. Alright, so this is guys the result for the 2 photos. this application is truly great if you ask me. So if you wanna edit your face and convert it to the anime or fan art version, you can try this application. And not only that, there is many more effects that you can use for making your photos uh, looks more authentic uh, and aesthetic. And all right, so yeah, I hope this tutorial is really helpful. um, if you like this video and if this video is really helpful, please hit that subscribe button and like button. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you on the next video, and bye bye guys.